Minisita w'ebyamagara Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng ayorekera ko Uganda emaze urubwire buringwa ari kuteganisa bw'endwara y'omushwija ngo kandi ekyo nikigito mu mwanya gwa kashatu munsi yona okuteganisa bw'oburwire bw'omushwija.
Imagine we donate malaria, but other countries donate money to us. And they are saying you are number 3 in donating. You follow Nigeria, then DRC, then Uganda. And we are donating malaria and death. Is that nice? Now you imagine when I go for their big meeting where they have called 192 countries. And they are saying the high burden countries, 10+1, Uganda is number 3.
Ahabwembereji ejemesereze Minisitiri y'ebyamagara okutongoza enteekateeka y'okumariraho kimwe oburwire bw'omushwija eyeserwe launch of malaria elimination zone.
Thank you, Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda.
I want to come here when we are eliminating malaria to celebrate with you people, and we must celebrate.
Enteekateeka egi neija kukorerwa mu disitulikiti 5 ezirimu Buriisa, Luweero, Nakaseke, Rukiga hamwe na Kamwenge.
You saw from the demonstration kit, I saw the husband was drunk and she was rejected by the wife. Instead the wife slept with the kid. But when the mosquito came, it was non-discriminative. It attacked all of them. So we need to sincerely double our efforts and fight.
We don't want to bother the Honorable Minister. We have a few issues, some missing words. Rukunya, I think, Chairman, you mentioned it. Here in Kamwenge, OPD. Then we have 2 health centers in the other side of Chiba East, which had been earmarked to be constructed under the World Bank program, you know, that have delayed a bit. So you tell us whether you still have them in plan or you have forgotten about them.
Omunteekateeka egi amarwariro n'ebyo ebirikukoresibwa mu marwariro nibiza kwongerwaho kandi abashaho b'ebyaro nibaza kutunga ebikwate ebirikubahwera okujanjaba n'okukyebera omushwija aha rubo rw'omuntu.
Ngoro parish Kamwenge sub county orno kugwiriza rwatushemeza programme yaronkebwe kugira ngo abantu bose kujemesa kwekinziza omushijo tugisema munonga abo kugira ngo service bareza amanyirira abantu omushijo ari gurikari konkanye n'amasiko ngati waza kucyendera
Ni kwita bwangu bana ndi kwiha munenda
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.